Everyone, welcome to Lex Tech Tips. I know it's been a while since I last posted, but we're here with another banging review. We're reviewing a LORDTRONIX PC power cable. And what do you think of it? What do you think of the... Is it a good cable?
Let me take a look, taste.
As you can see there, the outside is pretty delicious, and you can see the the copper cable inside of it. Right. This is pure 22 AWG CCA wire. The cable is quote unquote rated for 15 amps, but honestly, he says it tastes. What does it taste like?
Whatever. It tastes like 7.5 amps.
Says it tastes like 7.5 amps. What's? You said earlier that the texture was something like rat poison, and
It feels like getting a dick shoved down my throat.
all right.
It's pretty good. You mean you can't diss it? It's
Here, wait. Before you eat the rest of that, show them that this is a LORDTRONIX, right there.
I probably ate it already, but
It's a LORDTRONIX high quality cable.
it's
right
just
there.
high quality, so it tastes good. 300 to 500 volts. I eat that for breakfast.
Stop moving it so my camera can focus on it. LORDTRONIX, right? Power cable. 300 to 500 volts.
I think it's just somewhere else. It's
Alright guys, that's the end of this review. Thank you for watching Lex Tech Tips, and we'll be back with another review, maybe a Changhua cable. We'll review another cable.
Let's reveal electronics capacitors.